How to get Pocket Option promo code 2024. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Pocket Option promo code. Wait for a while for it to load. You can scroll down and tons of different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one. Tap on it. You will be landing on Space. In this space, you'll get to see tons of different offers and bonus. If you have found the right offer, then all you want to do is tap on Copy Code. There you can see that the coupon code has been copied successfully. Now you can head over to the Pocket option and then apply this code. After this, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Pocket Option promo code. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.